Is he feeding you, girl? Good job. Okay, can you carry it to the next dog? You got it? Okay, let's go feed the next dog. Oh, I'll get the keys out of my pocket. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, Miss Banks. You want some food? You want some food? Let me unlock you. Yeah. Put the keys back in my pocket so I don't lose them. Watch out, Mama. Back up. I gotta dump the water out. Yay. Okay, give her 3 scoops. She's ready. That's a pretty girl. We're coming, girls. We're coming. Watch your head, Mama. One more scoop. Here, let me push it that way for you. Her big head's in the way. Good girl. Okay, let me switch hands for a second. Okay, carry the bucket over here. Let's go feed the other hooligans. Hey, Diamond, is you hungry? Is you hungry? Yeah, who's a pretty girl? We got to clean poop out today. You gonna be ready to help me clean the poop?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do that this evening after they eat. Yeah, we're gonna have to do that one. Okay, before you get any food, go in and dump her bowl out, okay?
Okay.
Come here, Jayden. I opened the door. Nope, don't get food yet. Go dump her bowl. It's got water in it from the rain. Don't pull it towards you. Dump it the other way. Good job. Dump the whole thing out. You need some help or you got it? You got it? Dump it all out. Take it over a little farther and dump it all the way out. Here, I'll help. Let me help. Okay, now get her some food. She needs 3 scoops. We're gonna get to you in a minute, girl. Good job, Jayden. The doggies like it when you feed them. One more scoop. I'm coming, Mama. I'm coming. Y'all being loud. Listen at her. Okay, that's the last scoop for her. Come on out. So I can lock her back up. Oh, it's a tedious job, you guys. She likes to push on her gate, so we have to keep it wrapped up. Yeah, she's a troublemaker. Tries to get out. Okay, bring the bucket over this way, Jayden. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna feed these 2. Okay, sit it right there. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey, puppy. Yeah. We put extra locks on this kennel because we have puppies in it. Huh. Yep, she howls, doesn't she? You can go over there and pet the puppy while I'm unlocking it. Over here. Pet the little puppy while I'm unlocking it. Well, that's not a puppy, but okay. She's like, I pet big dog.
Oh, they die at me.
Yeah, she tries to lick you. Oops, will you pick that screw up for me? It's right there at my foot. I see you, Lagatha. I'm coming. Thank you. Yeah, I put locks and extra fittings on this kennel because there's a puppy in it and we don't want somebody to take them. So after I undo a lock, I have to undo 2 extra fittings. Okay, go get her attention over there so I can open this gate, okay? Okay, Jayden, come get your food bucket and carry it in here for me. Back up, Mama. Back up, Lana. Come on, Lana. Come on in, Jayden. No, bring the whole bucket, Jayden. Come on so I can shut it. Back up, Lana. Walk on in. Okay. Right here, Jayden. Give her 3 scoops and then we'll give the puppy some. I'm going to sit the bucket, all the way in the bucket, Jayden. The bucket's over there. Give her 3 scoops. Hey, Lagatha. Hey, pretty girl. Yeah. He giving Lana food. 1 more scoop. Okay, sit your bucket down and come over here and go get her bucket. Go in here and get the puppy's bucket, okay? See it over there? Come under my arm. Go in. Jayden, go in. Go get her bowl. Come here. Okay, go fill it up. Back in there, Lagatha. You're not coming out. That's not how it works. Nope, you have to stay in there until time to play. This is food time. Put some more in it for her. She's moved her barrel all the way from there. Silly dog. Blue. Miss Banks is still eating. Yeah, you're next. He's fixing it. Okay, hand it here. Okay, get her another scoop. Back up, girl. There you go. Yeah, num num num. Don't step in it. Nope, over here. I'll have to do this one so she doesn't sneak out. Move, Mama. Yeah, you try to sneak. Bad puppy. She gets too hyper. Okay. Now you want to carry the bowl and see if that girl over there has ate all her food yet? Mm-hmm. Okay. Carry the whole bucket out. Nope, over here. The one on the runner. Go see if she's ate all her food. Okay, guys, I'm going to cut it off for a minute so I can lock this back.